Ashkenazi, we name our children after someone who's dead and had the most horrible life in the world. This child is barely born and we've already assigned all of this baggage on him. That's my eldest son, Yaakov Yosef, named after my husband's great-grandfather, who was taken by the Russian army, imprisoned in Siberia, and tortured for 13 years. I'm like, oh my God! Give the kid a chance. That's my daughter Rivki, named after my aunt that died at the age of 9 from pneumonia. I'm like, what? You're killing her off at 9? Name your kids after someone who had a good life. Yes, that's my son, Hugh Hefner. Man lived 93 years with a smile on his face every day of his life in a place called the Playboy Mansion. Nachoni ben Chachuchi from the Warsaw Chanuchi.